Alright, today's project, we're going to set up a little sink here in the shop, because when we're thinking about moving out here into the yurt, we're just thinking about having a sink, a refrigerator, something to cook on. We're kind of half camping, half living in the yurt normally, and we're trying to figure out those little things we need. So a simple sink is what we're going to try to set up over the next couple days. Almost ready to put it together.
This, right?
Tina's here to see her sink.
Yay, sink! Good!
Maria and James.
That's perfect.
So yeah, that green one is water coming in from outside.
Water heater?
Yeah, we got a little water heater to make it hot water.
Good.
We're almost there.
Ooh, is this your coffee?
Yeah, you can have a drink.
So just shut it off.
Alright, we need to place this wood just so. It's a nice looking door, Ken. Alright, so this is our exterior steel door setup. We forgot to buy the hardware, the handle and the deadbolt, so we'll do that tomorrow. We'll replace the part for the sink tomorrow. Probably buy a refrigerator tomorrow. So then we'll really, within a few days, have this shop as a nice kind of extension of our living area. So that'll be really nice. Sucking it in a little more.
I am. You want to do the middle one.
Okay, next day of sink and other things getting set up in the shop for living in here. We just went to the store in Eugene, Jerry's, which is like an awesome version of Home Depot or Lowe's that's just better. We love it, the people are helpful. And so we got some more plumbing stuff because we're actually going to set it up to be able to put the washing machine next to the sink here. We got electrical stuff to run some more outlets in here. And what else? I think that's it. Oh, and we went and ordered a refrigerator. It wasn't in that store, so we'll get a refrigerator tomorrow morning. And so we're just another day or two out from setting this up as a functional little kitchen area slash laundry area. And since this is summer, our initial thought is to just hang dry laundry rather than worry about setting up the dryer, because we would have to wire up 220 volt setup for the electric dryer. So for now, we'll just hang dry the clothes through the summer, which is probably something we should make a habit of whenever we can. Ready, Johnny?
Yeah.
Alright, just arrived, and we get to use our nice door. Nice deadbolt. Ooh. Bit by bit, making it nice. Let's do this. You guys ready for some switches to be flipped? Yeah. Alright, master switch is going back on. Let's go see. Do we have power to the outlets? Let's see if it would charge a battery. Look at that. We did an electricity. Nice table, Ken.
Commercial grade.
Commercial grade stainless steel top.
Nothing but the best for Jarvis's kitchen
Yes.
in his shop.
Here we go. Hey! How's packing going, team?
Alright, let's start unloading the trailer, fill in the yurt. You're officially, it's happening.
We did it! We're relaxing in our shop kitchen.
Yay!
Tina, do you like it?
I love it.
So big.
Ken and Jarvis.
We
did
got
the
so
best
much
job
help.
ever.
Thank you, Dials Choice, for all the help, especially Ken.
Yay!
The reason the kitchen looks well organized and planned is all Ken.
Ken is organizer extraordinaire.
Shelves. Not me at all.
We did
All
it
right.
all. This is like a whole kitchen.
Yeah.
No, I didn't put that up on there though.
I just don't have an oven, but who needs an oven?
We got a barbecue outside. We've got that thing.
I think you can get camping on.
We can do a Dutch oven over a campfire if we really.
Yeah, we need to start cooking with wood a lot.
Don't you have one of those big ceramic things that Anna and Sarah have? Isn't that your thing?
We live here now. Starting right now, we live here. What a good day.
Can we make s'mores and make
Maybe.
fire?
Oh, I didn't dig down.
Down.